Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be taking a bit of a detour from my usual fare and show you how to make Initropidril in Space Station 13. So it starts out by you going into pathology and you find this thing, the Synthomatic 6.5.535. When you can click on it, you'll see that it's quite empty, quite uninteresting. But what you need is a beaker. Take this beaker and you insert it into the anti-agent slot. There you are. And you can now see that you have a little eject button here. So you close this window. You go into your Beyond folder, open the cache, go into the temp folder, mark everything and delete it. Click again. And you'll see that your temp folder now contains an HTML document. You edit it in your Notepad or other text editor of choice, and you'll find this here. The href with the source and some parameters. So what you do is you copy the href parameter minus the quotation marks. You close this window. You go into your Dreamseeker instance, you hit Beyond, // to show it's the Beyond protocol. You paste the URL you got, and then as the second parameter, you write anti-agent equals Initropidril. You can then copy this, and you hit 10 units of anti-agent added to the beaker. Contents 10 units of Initropidril. Now how do we know this is real Initropidril? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's acquire some sort of syringe, shall we? Let's see here. A dropper should be fine. So we eject the large beaker. We fill the dropper and drip it onto the monkey. In a short while, so we can actually, oh, well, he doesn't seem to be doing so hot, does he? That's not excellent, poor monkey. So, that's how you make Initropidril. Now, I'm going to throw in a little bonus since you have stayed with me this far. Let's see how to make quark gluon plasma. So you insert the beaker into the Synthomatic, you paste the thing you searched for, and of course you edit the anti-agent to Big Bang. 10 units of quark gluon plasma. How do we know if it's real or not? Well, I'm very glad you asked. That's how we know. Thank you for watching.